Finally, the potent marketing system that combined with our high-powered software can explode your online profit and provide you with
Description text so I can create.
So how amazing was that, huh? It's so simple to use this software, and it gets even easier. Once you've created your first project, all you need to do is fire up the software. The project is already created. Click through the steps and boom, they are off and running again, which I'm about to show you. But before we do that, let me show you how to get some additional links. So put the title that you used in the software or your GMB title in quotes. Do a search and we'll look for all the existing indexed links. So we've got a Google site, YouTube video, YouTube video, YouTube video, YouTube video, business site, Twitter moments, oh boom, and images. And that's the image that you'll see in that you would have already seen in the PDF, Hangout Millionaire image, etc. And there's a bunch of those. They're all the images I used in the software. Repeat the search. So it looks like we've got 41 indexed links or sites or videos, Twitter moments in Google. So what you do is collect those and put them in the software to run links back to these, which have all got links back to your main Google My Business entity, which is as simple as clicking on each site, open each one in a new tab, copy to a text file, collect your text file, and I'll do that now and get back. Okay, so I'll start off with the Twitter software. Let's do 3 for now. Click next. And there you go. There is a YouTube video and an existing Twitter Moments link. So I'm sending more link juice to both of these links that have links pointing back to the Google My Business. Boom. 1 minute. That's done. You can forget about that. I've already set up the new links in Google Site Indexer. Click next. Two Google accounts. Click next. Boom. 1 more minute. Not even. Now that software is up and running, creating more links to the new links created previously, to send more link love to those links which have got links inside them back to Google My Business. And the same for Hangout Millionaire. So you're getting to see how simple this is once you've already created the project. So our softwares remember your projects. Once you've entered the data, it all stays there. All the paths are remembered. Next, next. Make sure you click on YouTube Live, select the Google account, or you can use multi-accounts, which is an incredibly powerful feature, which means it will create videos. If you put in 8 keywords, it will create 1 video per keyword per Google account, and you can load up as many Google accounts as you like, but I don't like to go over 5, so you can do 50 odd videos in one session. Too easy. Everything's the same, and because we use spin tags, everything will be different. Each piece of content going out will be completely unique from any created previously, especially with Hangout Millionaire, because the videos that we upload, Hangout Millionaire puts video content at the beginning of the video and at the end, created from the thumbnails that you made at varying size each time it produces a new video file to live stream to YouTube. So each piece of video content is unique, the article content is unique, the titles are unique. So as I was saying before, you could do 100 unique videos in one project easily. Click next. There are the keywords. Click next. Boom, that's off and running. So that shows you how easy it is to do the projects the second time. There's time involved in setting up the projects, as you saw previously in this video. Once the project is created, it takes literally 3 to 4 minutes to set up a whole new set of links to give you the same results as what you see here for the cost of 3 or 4 minutes of your time. But not only that, you get the rankings, of course. So here is the Google My Business that I'm promoting. It's my own. And what will blow your socks off is that this is completely 100% unoptimized. It's a title and it's a completed business site, nothing else. As you can see here, here's my plan. I can add services, I can add photos, I can add a business description, and I can share it. I haven't done any of that. Last time I looked, before I did this project, I think it had about 20 views. So just in a couple of days, we got 60, 70, 80 searches. You can see how many posts I've done. Nothing. I've done absolutely nothing. This is a completely, for lack of a better term, virgin Google My Business listing. It's a title and nothing else. As you can see, I'll put the phone number in, but there is absolutely nothing done to this Google My Business. No reviews, obviously, because it wasn't listed. No photos, no products, no services. So there you go. Maybe the website. Did I put one in? Yep, the business site. That's all I've done, is done the business site so I could get the link. And what else we got? Create an ad, link to accounts, nothing. So there you go, a complete brand new Google My Business listing with nothing but the location and the title. Now, if you think things couldn't get any better, you saw the amazing results we've got with these three softwares, getting a complete virgin GMB to the top of Google, competing against other SEO companies, by the way. Say you wanted to do the same, but in different, but additional locations to the one that you're ranking in. Welcome to GMB Dominator. I created this software specifically for ranking your GMB in the surrounding neighborhoods or suburbs to gain all that additional traffic from where the GMB is actually located. For people who are interested in a lifetime offer, hit me up in support or via PM and I'll do you an amazing deal on the lifetime offer for GMB Dominator, our flagship software. So you can rank in places exactly like this. That's the central location. You can generate all that additional traffic from what you see here. That is the whole purpose of this software, and it does it extremely, extremely well. I've got an amazing offer on the lifetime deal. So if you're interested in that, hit me up personally and I'll see what we can do. This is a customized bonus offer. For example, if you've been a customer of mine for 10 years, like a lot of you watching this video are, you will get a much better deal than some guy who comes off the street today asking for an offer. You'll both get great offers, but of course, our loyal members, as always, get looked after the best. Before I go, I forgot to mention, GMB Dominator is a software suite, is a suite of softwares, all for the one purpose of getting your GMBs to rank in other locations than which they are present. So you get the GMB Dominator software, very simple to use, as you can see there. Then the first bonus software, boom. How to discover unclaimed GMBs, automated, 100% automated. You can find them in any location worldwide. This video reveals how simple it is to find them using our 100% exclusive software. That's the first software. That's how it works. Number two, GMB Embedinator, which is an amazing software and our members absolutely love it. This software embeds maps in those surrounding locations with links back to your GMB, which gets your GMB to rank in those locations as well. Bonus software 3, GMB Activity Spy, and this is our research tool which we create specifically for this purpose. You run that to find out exactly the easiest niches and the easiest terms to rank in. You run the software, look at the results and you'll see which ones you can pop a GMB in number one in that location for that term easily. And bonus 4, GMB Gold Detector. This is the one that finds you clients that you can use this software on to make awesome monthly revenue per GMB or per client that you discover, or that the software discovers for you. So click on the link that you see in the PDF directing to this page, and if you're interested in an awesome discount on the lifetime offer for this software, hit me up privately and we'll take it from there. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I know it's been long, but I've segmented it so you can go back to different parts easily, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, it's been a long time since I've been so excited about a software update. I'll give you a hint. The name of this update is the Hangout Millionaire Infinity Update. After the massive success of our last 3 SEO softwares, the Google Sites Creator, the Mass Blog Generator, and the WP Creator software, the reason they sold so successfully is because they were so simple to use, and obviously we learnt from that. So what we did with this Hangout Millionaire software is stripped it back and made it incredibly simple to use while adding massive features. And the massive feature we've added, apart from making it simple, much simpler to use, is the ability to add as many YouTube accounts as you like, meaning with one project, if you've got 100 YouTube accounts and you want to post 10 videos to each YouTube account, you can literally set up one project and it will live stream up to 1,000 YouTube videos across those 100 accounts. How cool is that with one project? So this video is showcasing this update. Below this video there will be a more thorough tutorial on how all the software works. So let's get on with the updates. So in this example I will use local photo folder. We've got 3 options to make videos: Instagram, local photo folder, or local video folder. So you can create content using Instagram, photos you have on your hard drive to create a slideshow video, or existing videos. You can use one video which will be respun an unlimited amount of times, or you can supply a folder with multiple videos and the software will randomly choose one of those videos each time it live streams. But in this example we'll use local photo. So we select the folder with the images in there, and there they are there. Too easy. You've got one option. How many photos would you like to make your slideshow videos out of? I've got 4 to 9, so each time a video is created and live streamed, it will randomly choose between 4 and 9 slides in this video to make sure they are all unique. I will select a profile, click next. So here you can add a new profile, delete a profile, or rename or copy a profile. Click next. To make sure all your videos are unique, even if you're doing 1,000 of them, we add a slide at the beginning of the video and one at the end. Plus we upload to YouTube a thumbnail image, which of course is really important. So you put a really attractive looking thumbnail image that can have your phone number on there if you like. It has to be attention grabbing, because the better that thumbnail is, the better CTR you'll get when it's presented in Google. So click next. I've already selected those. Now here's the MP3 file. With a slideshow video, this audio will play across that entire video created. You can select a folder with multiple MP3s in there and the software will randomly select one, or you can select a folder with one MP3 and it will use that for all the videos. So totally up to you. If you're using videos at the beginning of the software, the audio will be played while the slides are on the front, attached to the front and the end of the video, but it will not overwrite the audio of the videos you've supplied. So click next. For our existing Hangout Millionaire users, you'll see we have this new use multi-account feature. I'll get to that in a second. Right now you can select the Google account you've added. You can add an item here. You add your YouTube or your Gmail account and password and it will enter in this list. click on the red X and it will be deleted. So you can use one YouTube account and click next if you like, or, and here is the massive update, click on multi-user account. And this is where the magic happens. In this window you can add as many YouTube or Gmail accounts as you like that are already live enabled. In fact, there is no limit to how many YouTube accounts you can add in this section. Here you can see I've got all of these, and the ones you want to use, just double click and they go over there. So for this project you just put over as many as you like. In fact, I'll put all of them. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. And say I want to do 5 videos per account, you update that number there. And that's it. Once you click finish selection, that is 9 accounts times 5 videos each. You click next. Now on this window you will see we have added a new button, make spin tax. I'll get to that in a second. Everything here is the same. You enter your longs and lats for where you want your video to rank. In the title we have keyword plus spin tax. You can see I've got the keyword token in twice, which helps them rank better in Google obviously. Tags, you've got keyword token. Tags go in here separated by commas. You can select the category or let it choose random, which is what I do. Now in the description we have spin tax obviously, and these tokens as per usual. I'll go into these in greater depth in the next video. So also in the check spin tax feature you will notice we've added the word count. So every time you recheck your spin tax it tells you the different word count plus the characters. We've got a 5,000 character limit in YouTube, so make sure you don't go over that. Now here is the make spin tax feature. Here's the window here. It's incredibly easy to use. You just paste your article content in there, and up the top you put the words that you don't want to be spun. So search engine optimize. I'll do it with a Z. So while you're doing this, you just scan through your article and look for the words that you don't want to be spun. SEO. That's it, and then you click on make spin tax and it takes a few seconds. It contacts my server, talks to the spin tax engine we have on my server, and then it will deposit that into the description. So there you go, all done. Once it's completed the window disappears and you can see here check spin tax. Working beautifully. What's important to note here is that you do your article content first, and then you update it with your spin tax, because when this feature adds the spun content back into the window, it removes anything that was there previously. So I recorded what I had in there previously. I just copy that. Copy. All done. Just check the spin tax again. Perfect. Click next, enter the keyword phrases, and now remember we had 9 accounts and 5, so that is 9 5s 45. So notice we're going to do 45 live stream videos to YouTube, but there are only say 20 odd keywords. Well, guess what? Each time it live streams a video, it will work from the keyword phrase at the top. Once it's completed, it takes it off and puts it at the bottom. So even though there's only 20 keyword phrases here, it will create 45 based on those that I've supplied, and it will go through them and rotate them accordingly. Or you could put 45 different keyword phrases here if you like, or you could put your best 10, and will continue to. It will make 45 keywords based on those 10 that you supplied. Or you can have a list of 1,000 keywords in there, and it will do the first 45 and then put those 45 at the bottom of the list, so next time you start the software it will pick up where it left off. And now the other important thing to mention is, if all of those Google accounts you've entered into the software are our AIP accounts, which are connected via IFTT to over 20 Web2 properties, each time a video is created it will get 20 links back from those Web2 properties automatically, so it gives you an idea of the amount of scale. So in just this one project with 45 videos times 20 links from the Web2 properties, you are getting a massive amount of links back to any URLs you have in the description of the videos being created. So now with Hangout Millionaire you can scale to infinity, which is why we've called this update the Infinity Update. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.